Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the best soundproofing materials for walls, ceilings and floors to create your perfect quiet space, whether it's a home studio, office or cozy retreat. Let's get started. First up, walls. The goal here is to add mass and block sound. Mass-loaded vinyl, or MLV, is a top choice. It's dense, flexible, and easy to install between drywall layers, cutting noise like a champ. For a budget-friendly option, try acoustic panels or soundproofing foam. They absorb echoes and reduce sound leakage. Bonus tip: double up on drywall with green glue, a damping compound for extra noise-blocking power. Now, let's talk ceilings. If footsteps or chatter from above are your issue, resilient channels are a game changer. These metal strips decouple drywall from the ceiling joists, stopping vibrations. For a simpler fix, acoustic ceiling tiles can dampen noise and add style. Onto floors. To muffle impact noise like footsteps, start with a soundproof underlayment like cork or rubber mats under your flooring. Thick area rugs with a foam padding layer work wonders too, especially in apartments. For hardcore soundproofing, consider a floating floor system with foam or rubber isolators to keep vibrations at bay. A quick pro tip: always seal gaps with acoustic caulk around edges, outlets and baseboards. Sound sneaks through tiny cracks. Combine these materials based on your budget and noise level for a tailored solution. There you have it, the best soundproofing materials for walls, ceilings and floors. Pick what fits your space and enjoy the peace and quiet. Like and subscribe for more home improvement tips, and let us know your soundproofing wins in the comments.